Hi friends, welcome to Sri Bharathi Technologies Software and Accounting Training Institute. I am Bharathi. In today's class, I am explaining about how to delete, how to cancel, how to alter vouchers in TallyFrame. This is very important actually. So all of them they are suffering from at the time of working. How to delete a voucher, how to cancel, so how to alter a voucher. They don't know how to do that one. So today I am explaining that one. It's very easy. In a tally frame, every book of account. So we are preparing so many accounting books in tally frame. In every book of account, we have so many vouchers. That all vouchers it is possible to deleting, cancelling, altering. All account books also it is possible to altering a data. How to do that one I am explaining. So before that, subscribe my channel, like a videos and share a videos So almost all before that I am uploading so many TallyFrame videos in this YouTube channel. You have any doubts, you can send me a comment. And also in Bharathi Technologies, we are taking online classes also. Like we are explaining TallyFrame, SAP, GST, TDS, so TCS and also all accounting and taxation courses we are explaining If you want to learn, please contact these numbers. So like all TallyFrame, GST returns, TDS returns, TCS returns, FSI&PF calculations and returns, income tax returns, HR payroll and HR training courses, advanced Excel, SAP. These all courses we are explaining through online also. So certificates also we are providing. If you are interested to learn, call this number. So take your details and you can join So if you want to become a tax expert and accounting expert, so we are giving training, practical training we are giving So all accounts and taxation, practical training we are giving. So how to maintain business accounts also we are explaining. So if you are interested to learn, please call this number and take your details and join. Next we will start our chapter. So now we are discussing about how to delete a voucher, how to cancel a voucher, how to alter a voucher. So I am opening a TallyFrame now. Already we are created a company. Some ledgers and vouchers also I am created Now we want to learn first of all how to alter a voucher. You want to alter and delete and cancel a voucher means first of all you can go to daybook In main gateway of Tally, daybook you have. Last date voucher entries it is showing here. Which date voucher do you want to alter and delete? You can change a date first of all. In a button bar you can press F2 button. Which date vouchers do you want to alter? You can put a date so that vouchers it is showing. You can update a date. 1st April 2022 vouchers I want to alter now. You can put a date and give enter So see 1st April. How many vouchers we are updated it is showing here. Now how to alter a voucher first of all we are learning So here we have so many vouchers. Which voucher do you want to alter? You can select it first of all. Which voucher do you want to alter? You can select it first of all. So you can select it. You can open it Enter. It is opened Now which one do you want So account means cash I am receiving from Suguna Motors actually. Cash I am receiving from Suguna Motors. So cash Suguna Motors also customer name it is mistake. Account also it is mistake. So what mistake you done here it is possible to change it Suppose I want to change a voucher type. That is also it is possible. See in a button bar it is showing vouchers It want to be come under some other voucher. Voucher type also it is possible. Date I done a date mistake. Date also it is possible to altering. Suppose date I am changing. So 1st May date I received this amount 1st May. So date I done mistake. I changed a date now. Amount also 30,000 I am received actually. So 20,000 by mistakenly I am updated. Now I am corrected that mistake. This like in a voucher what mistake you done it is possible to correcting. Voucher date, so account, so this party name, amount. So it is possible to altering. After that you can save it This like it is possible to altering a voucher. Which voucher do you want to alter it? First of all you want to select it that one. So what you done mistake, date mistake you done means you can press in a button bar F2 button you can press it. You can change the date. After amount also you done mistake. So I am changing the amount. On the place of 2000 I am updated 6000. Now I am corrected the amount. After that you can save it. See that what we are alter that amount here it is showing no. So this like it is possible to altering a vouchers. Next to how to delete a voucher. Which voucher do you want to delete? You can select it first of all. Which voucher do you want to delete? You can select it first of all. After that you want to press it Alt D button. Through mouse you can select it. See three mouse are through arrow keys also. In a keyboard it is showing down arrow key. No? You can press through mouse here. See this voucher it is selected now. Which voucher do you want to delete? You can select it. You can press Alt D button. Alt D is a voucher delete shortcut key. Otherwise in the bottom of the page here it is showing delete button. No? In this screen only it is showing delete button. You can press this delete button. Other it is asking yes or no. Yes, you can press it. Automatically it is deleted. That voucher is permanently it is deleted. See we don't have anywhere here. So this like which voucher do you want to delete? It is possible to deleting. Next to I want to cancel a voucher. Delete means permanently it is deleted. It is not possible to get back that one. Cancelling. Suppose some bills are cancelled. So I am updated vouchers in a tally frame. After that some bills are cancelled. Now I want to cancel a voucher in book of accounts also. Otherwise our ledger amounts it is not tallying. How to cancel a voucher? Which voucher do you want to cancel it? First of all do you want to select it So which voucher? I want to cancel this voucher now. I am selected a voucher. So voucher shortcut key Alt X. You can press Alt X button. Otherwise see in this screen bottom of the page cancel voucher it is showing. No, you can click that one also. It is cancelling. Yes or no it is asking. Yes, you can press it. See here it is showing on 1st April 2022 payment voucher number 3 we are cancelled. That amount it is not showing here. It is removed from book of accounts. Remaining details it is showing no which voucher we are cancelled. What is the voucher number it is showing. So any bills you are cancelled in a tally. So we want to show like this. We want to cancel a voucher. Any bills do you want to cancelled in a tally? Like this it is showing. If you want to cancel a bill, which bill do you want to cancel? You can select it. You can press it cancel voucher. Yes or no it is asking. Yes, you can press means automatically it is cancelling. See it is cancelled. But here it is showing this voucher is cancelled. Thank you for watching.